Hiya, this is Janet again. We're on our way to Copdock. We've just gone through the city of Norwich and the weather is horrendous. Look at this. Look at that rain. Lovely Sunday afternoon. Everybody's got their umbrellas.
Drive 0.1 miles, then keep left.
I think they're all going in to the city just to do a little bit of shopping, and we're on our way to Copdock.
Left.
So I'll see you when I get there. See you later.
Left.
Bye.
Drive 0.4 miles.
We've
then
made
turn
it.
left.
We've made it to Copdock. So the weather's all changed. It's stopped raining, and we've got loads of cars coming out of Copdock. A load of cars going into Copdock. As you can see, here we are. I'm just going to be shown where. So just to remind you, please subscribe and ring that bell, and I'll be back with you again. So bye. Well, we're here, we're at Copdock. Hey Al, look, donuts. How many are you going to eat today?
Fish and chips, shall we?
Fish and chips. How about you, Jamie? Fish and chips or donuts? You know, we're nothing. It's quite busy. Okay. Wow. Got homemade fudge as well. And we're going to make our way into the club stands. Inside the club stands you can see some lovely motorbikes. Wow. I think it's just great that everybody's turned up on such a horrible rainy day. They've brought all their bikes. There's the Honda stand. XC500s. Ooh, gold wings. Look at these guys. Wow, that is something. Look at the colour of that. They are gorgeous bikes. That's quite an old Goldwing. That is a beautiful colour, isn't it?
Yeah.
That red.
Yeah. That's a pre-airbag model.
Huh?
Yes. That's a pre-airbag model.
So here we are, we're at Copdock. And I'm coming over to the CMA stand. And here we have the CMA little stand here with everybody. There's Steve and there's a few of the others. Everybody's chatting, having a great time. They've got their little table, their biker Bible. So, hi Steve, how are you doing?
Really well, thanks, having a great day.
Yeah, so let's have a look at your back. Let's have a look at the cross. Hey guys, here we go, there's the cross. It's brilliant when you're on a bike because yours is reflective.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah.
The cross really shows up at night, it's reflective, and people behind us
Yeah.
can follow the cross.
So what's CMA all about then?
It's the Christian Motorcyclists Association, so we're a mission to the biker community, taking the love and good news of Jesus Christ out to motorcyclists.
That is all you need to do, isn't it? Yeah. So that's brilliant.
We've been tasked for, we believe that God has given us a mission to spread the good news.
Brilliant. Milliard.
Yes.
And he's amazing. He's an amazing bloke because look at these bikes that he has actually built himself. So, Alan, what's this first one?
It's the Flying Milliard. It's 5,000cc.
Wow.
Twin, 1920s style bike, board racer.
And the other one there?
My Honda 6 replica, six cylinder, 374cc, revs
Wow.
to 20,000 revs.
And then we've got
And my
this
Veloset
one.
Max 700,
Wow.
B twin. I've been running. It's been a bit wet today, as I would have been outside riding them around.
Yeah.
I've been starting up inside, annoying a few people with the sound, but most people like it.
So how long did it take you to make, to build these bikes?
That was 8 weeks from scratch.
That one was 8 weeks.
Yeah. 5 million was a year, and the Honda was 7 months.
Oh wow! And you wouldn't want to kind of fire it up again, would you? Were you allowed?
I'm not the Honda, next to now. I could fire the Veloset up.
Oh, go on then. That'd be brilliant. Thanks. Wow! Amazing. Beautiful. So how many miles have you done on this bike so far?
1,500.
1,500? Wow. And a year. I mean,
1950.
6 weeks to build.
Yeah, this is about basically a 1950 Veloset.
Okay. It's nice and low as well.
Yeah, it's very small, very compact.
Yeah, yeah.
The
Okay.
rain's coming down again.
The rain, I know.
Not the rain, the rain.
Hi, I'm at Dock Cock. I always find it difficult saying that. I don't know why.
That's Copdock.
I mean, Copdock. See, I got it the wrong way around. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm just loopy at times. It's the age. Anyway, I've just met Gavin, and he is with the CMA. You've been with the CMA for
About 6 months.
6 months, so you're a newbie.
Oh, very much.
And we were talking just a minute ago, and I said, when were you born again? When did you come to the Lord? And you said
1993
Yeah.
in March. I don't know the exact date, but it was March '93.
Okay. And you were explaining the reason why you came to the Lord was you just felt totally broken.
Yeah, my life was a mess. There was no way I knew how I was going to fix it, why it was like it was. I was seriously depressed, and I kind of was losing hope. I was in a state of absolute despair.
Like a lot of people are.
Yeah.
We've
yeah,
all been in despair, and me.
Yeah.
I have as well. But
So I figured that if a car goes wrong and you can't fix it yourself, you take it to a garage, and if it's a real bad problem, you take it to the main dealership because they know that car.
yeah,
So my logic said, well, I'm going to go back to my maker because he knows me and how to fix me better than anybody else.
and you did.
And I did. I dwelled on John 3:16.
Okay, one must be born again
And
to enter
how
the kingdom of God.
gave his own son. He loved the world
yes.
so much, he loved his own son. And I thought, could I give my sons, either of my two sons, up to be crucified, humiliated, tortured?
I know.
No, I couldn't do that, but God did that for me.
Exactly. So how have you been transformed then? What would you say?
Well, life took off from there. I had a lot of life-changing experiences.
Yeah.
Working for God, God gave me an amazing challenge which changed my life completely. I went with a convoy into Bosnia during the war. We got 29 injured kids out and took a load of supplies and that in. All unofficial. We were mavericks. Everybody denied us if we got into trouble.
Yeah.
But we did it, and a wonderful, wonderful pastor, a lovely old boy called Neville, said to me when I said, Neville, you'll never guess what I've been given to do by God. He smiled and he said, God would never give you anything like that if you couldn't do it.
Yes.
He never sends you on a road you can't follow. So off I went, I did that, and it was a life-changing experience.
Okay. But you weren't no spring chicken, were you?
Well, I'm going back, 93 I would have been, I'm 70 now, and it's,
Wow.
we're 2019.
Yeah.
So I'll let you do the maths. I'm not too good. It was a while back. A while back. No, I was too old to
you're
play
50.
Peter Pan.
No, but you wouldn't have done it if you weren't born again. If you.
Oh, absolutely not. No, it wouldn't. I mean, this was a job that was given to me as a result of me saying, "Right, Lord, it's me and you now."
Okay.
Let's get on with it. Let's get working. Let me pay you back. Let me do
And
something.
the reason why you were with CMA, why you were with CMA?
I wanted to find a bunch of nice guys to ride with, and I wanted to use my bike and my Christian beliefs.
And this is your bike?
This is my bike.
This
yeah.
is the bagger.
Yeah, it's a Harley Davidson Fat Boy.
Oh, sorry, Fat
Yeah.
Boy, Fat Boy.
Yeah.
Bagger is Honda. Wow, look at that. We had so much rain this morning, you must have been cleaning that in here.
I bought it here last night because I saw the weather forecast.
Okay.
So I've now got to get it home on the dry somehow. But anyway, we'll worry about that shortly.
Okay, we're going to just cut now.
Okay.
And just remember to subscribe, please, to this channel. And don't forget to ring that bell. Thank you very much, and thank you.
God bless you. Thank you.
God bless you.